What if the most outrageous American supercar didn't even need a supercharger? Meet the Chevrolet Corvette C8 Z06, a machine that rewrites everything you thought you knew about American V8 power. No forced induction, no turbos. Just raw, naturally aspirated fury, screaming all the way to 8,600 revolutions per minute. Yeah, you heard that right. This isn't your typical pushrod Corvette. Under the rear hatch sits a 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8, the LT6. And if that sounds exotic, it's because it is. This engine shares DNA with race cars, not muscle cars. It produces 670 horsepower, making it the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 ever put in a production car. But numbers don't tell the full story. It's the way this thing sounds. At idle, it's sharp. At mid-range, it's aggressive. But past 6,000 revolutions per minute, it transforms into a full-blown race car symphony, closer to a Ferrari than anything Detroit has ever built. That high-pitched scream is something no previous Corvette could even dream of. And that's exactly the point. Because the Chevrolet Corvette C8 platform already flipped the script with its mid-engine layout, but the Z06 takes it to another level. Wider stance, larger intakes, massive aero upgrades. This isn't just a faster Corvette, it's a completely different beast. 0 to 60, around 2.6 seconds. Quarter mile, deep into the tens. Top speed, over 300 kilometers per hour. And it does all of this while sending power exclusively to the rear wheels. No all-wheel drive safety net, just pure driver engagement. Now here's where things get even more interesting. The Z06 wasn't built to chase straight-line dominance alone. It was engineered for corners, serious track performance, magnetic ride control, massive Brembo brakes, and optional carbon fiber wheels that reduce unsprung weight and sharpen handling like a scalpel. Then there's the Z07 performance package. Bigger wing, stickier tires, more aggressive aero, more grip. This is where the Z06 stops being a supercar and starts hunting them. Cars like the Porsche 911, GT3, and Ferrari F8. Tributo suddenly aren't so comfortable anymore, because this American machine is delivering similar, and in some cases better, performance at a fraction of the price. And yet, it's not just about beating rivals, it's about evolution. For decades, Corvettes were known for big displacement, low-revving V8s, and straight-line dominance. But the Z06 throws that formula out the window. This is precision engineering, high-revving madness, track-focused aggression, and tuners, they're already circling. Even though the LT6 is naturally aspirated, expect aftermarket exhaust systems, lightweight mods, and aero upgrades to push this platform even further. Because when you start with something this extreme, small tweaks go a long way. But here's the real question. Is this the peak of naturally aspirated performance? Or just the beginning of a new American supercar era? Because if this is what Chevrolet can do without turbos, imagine what comes next.